There's lots of smart, talented people that hang out in that space that have been through, classes that maybe you're going through, or just have other internship experience, and they can help you develop your skills. Here at Garmin, I work over in our integrated avionics group, so specifically working on communication radios. So I actually really didn't officially join E-Club until I was a grad student. And it's because of the couch. They made it originally as kind of a senior prank so that they could go to their classes with it. They never ended up doing that. He said, hey, athletics wants to use the couch. So when I came back for my first year of grad school, Gannon, who was the president at the time, he was getting it fixed up to use for athletics, and he had some of us help him that first night after Activities Carnival.
What drew me to Electronics Design Club is actually the lab space, and I was enthralled with the freedom that I could see. It was just a space dedicated to experimentation, design, and creativity. I have interacted with so many more people, seen so many more things than I ever thought I would as a college student.
Well, E-Club really does a lot of applied projects. They're building things and actually making things. They do that in class also, but it gives them a chance to kind of do that beyond the classroom, and also developing those project building skills. But what students are going to need to succeed in the industry and as an engineer is practical experience, and I think that's what kind of the Electronics Design Club is doing through those projects.
Skill-wise, they just love to see that you're doing projects, and that's what E-Club's all about. At the heart of it, it's just you have an idea, you want to work on it with your friends or maybe by yourself. It's a space for you to go get help supported financially, and also showing it off at the end of the year at open house. A lot of people that were in E-Club at KState work here at Garmin. There's so many that it kind of seems that most of KState engineers come here. So it's nice having a lot of my friends from undergrad and grad school here. So I would say get involved as early as you can.